Hey everyone, we have a video here that's going to be talking about the product exporter. The product exporter in the simplest form is a good tool that extracts information from your site and puts it into an editable format in an Excel spreadsheet so that you can re-upload it and make mass changes on your site. So for this, we're going to use an example of you need to make quite a lot of changes to some of the products on your site. So doing it one by one, say if you have 1,000+ records that you need to go through, very time consuming. But using the product exporter, you can do that in just a few minutes and do it in mass. So what we're going to do here, as you can see, we're on the dashboard. Let's go to Store Catalog, Advanced Product Exporter. And there are many different variations of, I guess, the format that you can pull, and you can set that. Here's the list of column headers that you can use to pull information. As you can see, these are just the default ones that are set right now. So just to make it simple, we're going to cut these four out and leave just SKU and status. So basically the way this reads is these two are the selected columns that we're going to export. And again, if we wanted to add some, you simply just click on that selected item and hit the arrow to push it over. So once I have these selected, I'm going to hit next. And as you can see, we can kind of filter down even more so. You can get as specific as you want, or we can just pull every single product on the website if you wanted to. As of right now, the filter is set to pull only 3M SKUs, so which is a total of about 384 products. If I was to turn that off and just set it to any manufacturer, it's going to pull all the SKUs on my site, which is going to be a little over 40,000 products. So just to keep it simple, we're gonna keep it on 3M. So if I hit next here, it'll take us to the next tab that will basically give us the button to go ahead and start the download. So once I hit begin, you'll get a little tab down here just giving you a background task, letting you know it's being downloaded. And once that is done, refresh the page here, and you'll see that this is what we just currently downloaded. So let's go ahead and hit the download button. Let's open it up and I will show you the Excel spreadsheet. And as you can see, these are the two columns that we have just we identified. All we wanted was the SKU and the status, and these are all the 3M SKUs that are listed in my site. So from here, you would be able to make any edits that you wanted to in the Excel spreadsheet. Once you have done the changes, you would save it. Make sure you remember where you save it on your computer, and you would come back to your site and you would use the product importer, which again, we already have a video for that, so I encourage you to watch that, because the importer will kind of bring it full circle. Because the steps are: you export the information, extract it, you make the changes, you use the product importer to bring the information back into your site, and you can then see the changes. Another good page to view when you're doing the product exporter is on our knowledge base, and I'll show you right here. It's actually the import format, and here you can see a list of all these headings right here and a little explanation of what they are. So let me just go back real quick. So all these right here that are listed, if you're not quite sure which ones they are, if you're trying to target something really specific, you can always just revert to this file import or importer on our knowledge base, and it will kind of break it down, and you can find out exactly and pinpoint exactly what it is you're looking for. So I hope that helps. Again, I encourage you to watch the product importer. That'll show you how to get the information back in, and that is how you use the product exporter.